Good morning, class. So today's lesson is about the letter S says. So this is the letter S, and where is it in the alphabet? It's between R says and T says T. It's at the far end of the alphabet, and it's part of this. It starts the sound of these words: sad, Sam, sat. So add, am, sat. Let's look at a few other words that start letter S, like sun, feed, sap, or touch. So those are some words that start letter S. I'm gonna make the S sound. Okay, so obviously you're gonna need your green crayon for this sheet, and you will also need to have the little bumps underneath your underneath the paper. So let's start with the S. So the S is in the house. He literally is in the house. He looks like a snake. And he starts from right to left and then he flips around. He curves halfway. So he'll start up at the top, close to the top of the ceiling, and then he curves. Then he curves halfway through the red house and curves back the opposite direction, like a snake. Let's do it two more times. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Remember, starts at the top. It's an easy letter to flip. It's an easy letter to flip. Just remember that it starts from right to left, then goes back right, and then curves back up left. So let's practice it here outside of the house. There we go. SS, and then do it one more time. SS. Okay, now you try your own. Remember, start kind of close to the top of the ceiling, just a little teeny bit below. Don't forget left and right. Oops, Mr. Tan made a mistake. What's my mistake? I went into the roof. S does not like that. So let's fix it and try it again. Remember, he touches the ceiling and then swerves back down. Uh-huh. Let's try it. That looks a lot better. So let's do it 2 more times. By this point, you should be feeling the bumps below the letter S as you're tracing. The shape of the letter S as you're tracing it. Okay, don't forget to pick. One more time, Mr. Tan. And one more time. Okay, so which of these look like the letter S? Honestly, I'm gonna say I like this one. Okay, I like that one. Okay, so now we trace it. S says S. So put your crayon down, pick up your finger, and trace the shape of the letter S and say S says S says S says. And please practice this in the sand.